When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Hey folks, John Browning with ProCare here. Being the top upholstery cleaning company in Middle Tennessee, we often get the following question: what's the best kind of fabric when buying new furniture? Well, that does depend on your lifestyle. So here are the basics. Natural fabric, especially cottons and linens, will be very difficult to spot clean and maintain. When choosing a natural fabric, ProCare must come out and apply fiber protector for you to have a fighting chance at removing spots and spills. Any synthetic fabric or performance fabric, especially if ProCare adds fiber protector, will be much easier to spot clean and maintain. Krypton fabric is already protected and ready to go. I hope this helps. For more information on our services, visit us online today at procareofnashville.com.